How to list files of a Debian package without install. This command can only list contents of installed packages. But how to list contents of a non-installed package, to preview/examine the package?
dpkg or contents, lists the contents of a deb package file. It is a front-end to dpkg deb. To work directly with package names rather than package files, you can use apt file. You may need to install the apt file package first. As stated in the first comment, apt file lists contents for packages in your already configured apt repositories. It is irrelevant whether any particular package is or is not installed.
Use contents instead of L. When used in this manner, dpkg acts as a front-end to dpkg deb, so use man dpkg deb to see all the options. You can also use an archive browser to view the package contents.
dpkg contents will let you look at the uninstalled package. If the deb is not on your system yet, the package will get downloaded to, but not installed.
The best way would be to browse directly the package repository. http://packages.debian.org/distroname/all/package-names/file list. Example: http://packages.debian.
Yes.